Are you sure that multivitamin you pop every morning is the best you can do for your health? So many of us take one thinking we're covering all our bases. But what if there was a simple green powder that did more than just deliver isolated vitamins? What if it gave you a whole symphony of nutrients your body actually recognizes, instead of a handful of synthetic notes? Now, this isn't about chasing the next superfood fad. This is about understanding how getting your nutrition from whole foods can be a total game changer for your health. So, stick around, because I'm about to introduce you to a green powder that's loaded with antioxidants, protein, and essential minerals. Plus, I'll show you 3 delicious ways to make it a seamless part of your daily routine. Here's the thing with relying only on a multivitamin. Many of them are made with synthetic, isolated nutrients created in a lab. Your body, on the other hand, is designed to get nutrition from whole foods, where vitamins come packaged with enzymes and cofactors that help you absorb them. A green powder made from concentrated whole foods can help bridge the gap that even a daily vitamin might leave. Now imagine a single plant so nutritious, it's nicknamed the miracle tree. I'm talking about gram for gram. Dried moringa leaf powder is an absolute nutritional powerhouse. It's bursting with vitamins, minerals, and incredibly valuable plant compounds. It also contains all 9 essential amino acids, which makes it a complete protein, something that's pretty rare for a plant. But let's be real. A teaspoon serving has about 1 gram of protein, so think of it as a fantastic booster, not a replacement for a protein-packed meal. The real advantage of moringa is its whole food synergy. It's not just about the individual vitamins. It's the antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid, the anti-inflammatory compounds, and the fiber that you just won't find in your average multivitamin pill. The buzz around moringa isn't just hype, it's backed by some fascinating and emerging science. For instance, some preliminary studies and reviews have suggested that moringa leaf powder may help reduce fasting blood sugar levels. Other small clinical trials have pointed to its potential to help lower LDL cholesterol, often called the bad cholesterol. Researchers believe these effects come from moringa's rich profile of bioactive compounds, which help protect our cells from oxidative stress and may dial down inflammation. While we definitely need more large-scale human studies to confirm all these benefits, the initial findings are incredibly promising. It's clear that moringa offers perks that go way beyond the basic vitamins listed on a bottle. Now for the million-dollar question. What does this stuff actually taste like? On its own, moringa has a distinct earthy green flavor, kind of like a stronger spinach or matcha. But the good news is, it's ridiculously easy to incorporate into foods you already love. Here are 3 of my favorite ways to do it. First up, the Morning Energizer Smoothie. This is the perfect way to kickstart your day. Just blend 1 teaspoon of moringa powder with a frozen banana, a handful of spinach, a cup of almond milk, and a tablespoon of your favorite nut butter. It's creamy, delicious, and I promise you won't even know the greens are in there. Second, for a super simple option, try moringa citrus tea. Just stir half a teaspoon of moringa powder into a cup of hot water with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon and a little bit of honey. Fun fact, the vitamin C from the lemon can actually help your body better absorb the iron from the moringa. And third, for a perfect afternoon pick-me-up, let's make some no-bake moringa energy balls. In a bowl, just mix 1 cup of rolled oats, a half cup of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 teaspoon of moringa powder. Roll the mixture into bite-sized balls and pop them in the fridge for about 20 minutes. They're the perfect grab-and-go snack. So, while a multivitamin can be helpful for specific gaps, it just doesn't provide the complex, synergistic benefits of a whole food like moringa. This green powder isn't a magic pill, but it's a powerful tool to elevate your nutrition, boost your antioxidant intake, and support your overall health in a way that isolated supplements can't. Of course, it should always be seen as a bonus to a healthy diet, not a replacement for eating your fruits and veggies. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more evidence-based wellness tips. And now, I want to hear from you. Which one of these recipes are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below, and let's start taking control of our health, one delicious step at a time. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more info on superfoods, whole foods, supplements, health, vitality, and good vibes. Keep your vibes high and your health higher. Catch you in the next one.